how to turn on the ringer on your iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an issue where if your phone is not ringing when you get a call, you'll be able to fix that so that it does ring and you can hear it. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first thing you want to make sure that you do is go on the left side of your phone right here and you'll see this little switch. So if you see the red, that means it is on silence mode. So if I switch it down where it shows the red, it'll say silent. And if I switch it up to where it doesn't show the red anymore, I will now hear the ringer on my phone. Now, in addition to that, there's a couple different areas in the settings that we can go to check to make sure that our phone is set up to ring. So I'm just going to go to settings. Now that we're in the settings, we want to first go to focus right here. Now that we're in focus, if you see do not disturb on, all we need to do is swipe down from the top right and you'll see do not disturb on, select the moon, and that will turn off do not disturb and you should now get ringing on your phone. Additionally, you can go back to the settings, and once back in the settings, just select sounds and haptics above focus. And you want to find ringtone and alerts and just make sure that this is turned up a little bit so that you can actually hear it. So if you've done all those steps, you should hear the ringer on your iPhone. If you don't, try rebooting your iPhone. Just turn it off and then turn it back on again, and that should fix it. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.